Hello everyone, good afternoon, and I hope all are well. Okay, so now today is an extreme level of exceptional to this all the audience to come here for my presenting this artificial intelligence. Now this artificial intelligence we are using this space stations. There have many space stations in this world, like SpaceX, NASA, ISRO, and there are many countries have this SpaceX. Okay, and now this modern time these SpaceX and other astronauts, the astronautical agency are their increase their build up and their extreme level of using artificial intelligence higher. Okay, so now that why we are behind in our backside. Okay, so now all over that I will discuss that this is the artificial intelligence timing. So we are likely for examples we are this using this counting device in these sectors, and how is it possible to use this counting device. Okay, so first of all, this applications of like get started on this here. So applications in industrial manufacturing, we are manufacture our industry by many artificial intelligences like this robot. Okay, so there's a many country in many countries have their maximum work are done by the artificial intelligence. A few days ago we are visiting a power plant. We are electrical engineering students, so for these reasons we are visiting on a power plant, and this power plant have there's some engineer, assistant engineer, sub assistant engineer, and it's another this chief engineer, and they are work done all by the artificial intelligence, by the computing system. Okay, so all the computer are operating these control rooms, and they have to manufacturers, and they have to operate this turbine system and this combustion chamber, and there are many chapters of this mechanical, civil, and electrical part they are completed in their own computing systems by artificial intelligence. Okay, so here's this artificial intelligence is the a big amount of uses in now this time, because we are living lives in the modern periodic time. So how can is it possible to avoid this artificial intelligence uses? Okay, it's not possible. So in this educational sector, that we are living in educational sectors to make sure that there are many apps for helping your educational instruments. That you are thinking one of questions and not have your own answers. You have to send these questions in this artificial intelligence, and this artificial intelligence give you an answer. So could you imagine that? So we are using this artificial intelligence for your education systems. It's a very useful uses to for the betterment of not Bangladesh. There's so many countries students, for international students, national students. Okay, so we are this using by artificial intelligence by medical sector. Okay, so artificial intelligence are mainly I have to through this mainly using this artificial intelligence medical sector. It's a my choice. Not only that I'm an electrical engineer, but medical sector I'm very choiceful a subject and very choiceful a sector. Okay, so for using this artificial intelligence in patient counting, suppose like your organs have to destroyed, and disease have in your organs, in your internal organs. Okay, and then on artificial intelligence robot are going to their organs, and these organs have this clarify how disease in your organs have. Okay, and then they are clarifying it, and then it will be served and cure this type of disease, and it will be biologically destroyed in your digest in your body. Okay, then it will be created by the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence in this here is a very big uses of medical side. Okay, so artificial intelligence uses we are clearly to its advantage. We are only using it's some have disadvantage, so we are not going to this disadvantage side. Okay, thank you.